If you don't have Microsoft Office installed on your computer, no problem. I'm going to show you a really great alternative that comes with your Google Vista account that you will be able to use. It's readily accessible in every course and is free and easy to use. So, first things first, let's take a look at how to get there. So we're going to click on OLORE 101 to get back to the course front page. We're going to scroll down to the Google Apps block here and select Drive. So this is called the Google Drive. And again, it is an excellent component that comes with your Vista Google account. So we're going to click on Drive. As you can see, it opens up in its own tab here. We're going to go ahead and maximize this and wait for it to load. Once it loads, sometimes you'll have a little advertisement you can just X out of. Alright, so to get started, we're going to click on New. Now, Google Drive gives you a few different file types to create. We have Google Docs, which is the equivalent to Microsoft Word, Google Sheets, which is the equivalent to Microsoft Excel, and Google Slides, which is the equivalent to Microsoft PowerPoint. Now, the last thing I want to show you here is the file upload link option here. So if you do not have Microsoft Office on your computer, yet somebody emails you a Microsoft type document like a PowerPoint presentation or an Excel spreadsheet or a Word document, you can simply save those to your computer and then via this file upload link in Google Drive, upload those files. They'll upload into the Google Drive and you will actually be able to access, view, and use them inside the Google Drive. Alright, so we're going to click on Google Docs. Again, this is the equivalent to Microsoft Word, and once it loads up, we'll take a look at it. As you can see, the navigation icons are very similar to that of Microsoft Word. Now, a few navigation tips. Number one, naming your document. You want to click on this section here that says Untitled Document. That'll be the default name for every file you create. So just click on that. It'll highlight it blue, and then just rename the document. So we're going to call this one Assignment 1.1 and click Enter. Then you'll see that it automatically saves for you. And so that's step one. Step two is content. So in this big field here, we want to type in all the content. So content goes here. And once all the content is in, then we've got to save a copy of this to our computer. Then we can either attach it to an email to send or upload it through an assignment activity. So here's how we do that. We're going to come over here to the left, click on File, then we're going to go down to Download As and select Microsoft Word. So this will actually save as a Microsoft Word document. So we're going to click on that. Now, depending on how your computer is set up, you may have a little ribbon down at the bottom that appears asking if you want to save it or cancel, or you may have another pop-up in the middle of your screen. But the most important thing is that you want to remember where you save these documents. Now, some computers will default and save everything in the download folder automatically. Some will give you an option. I'm going to select the desktop in this instance just for easy access. So I'll go ahead and save that there. Now I'm going to go ahead and close this actual document that we've been working on. And as you can see down here on the toolbar, we still have the Drive page open. So as we can see, it is saved Assignment 1.1 for us. And every file we create will start to stack up on this page. And what's great is that Google Docs or the Google Drive is all web-based. So regardless of where you are, as long as you have an internet connection and you are able to access your Vista course, you have access to the drive and you can pull your assignments up anywhere and work on and edit them. Alright, so at this point, if I minimize everything, we can see my assignment 1.1 here right on the desktop. Again, I can attach that to an email like for assignment 1.1 in the orientation, but I can also upload this file to an assignment activity, which you'll learn about a little bit later in the orientation. And so that's how you use Google Drive. And hopefully this has been helpful for you. Have a great day.